Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something pretty cool from ACEdc. I got right over here the D-pad gamer in Mokume. So this is something truly like grail kind of level. It's something you don't really see that often. Mokume, this is a very expensive material. You see the classic construction with some roller bearings, magnets, the central pin right over there, and of course you have the haptic function in this fella, and of course the clicking function right over here. So just check it out. Just check the layers of the copper into this Mokume Gane material. This is something fancy, guys, something you don't see ever. It is something extremely rare. I believe there's 5 of these made, so just a very limited amount of this fella. And if you're a collector, and especially if you like Mokume and layered, welded, patterned metal, this is the way to go. Just want to check real quick the weight, because I reviewed already this one. Is not gonna be like anything different than the Zerk I believe that I reviewed. The weight is gonna be different. This is 108.0 grams in your pocket, so it's gonna be, yeah, you're gonna feel 100 grams in your pocket for sure. But I mean, these clicks are very sharp and loud, and haptic feels gorgeous. It's a fantastic one. This is one of the best haptic clicker in the business, and in this configuration right over here, guys, this is some fancy stuff, I'm telling you. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.